Feeling bogged down by email overload? Let's dive headfirst into the ultimate email client showdown, Thunderbird versus Betterbird. We're breaking down features, performance, and customization to crown the champion and supercharge your productivity. First up, Thunderbird. It's a reliable, open-source workhorse, boasting a familiar interface and extensive add-in library. Creating new emails, managing folders, and searching important information are easy to learn. Now, let's see Betterbird, a Thunderbird fork focused on speed and improvements. Notice the similar layout, but the whole experience feels smoother and quicker. It also prioritizes stability and fixes some long-standing Thunderbird bugs. Customization is key, but which wins? Both support add-ins, but Betterbird directly incorporates some popular add-in functionalities, which means less bloat and better performance. Let's talk performance. Betterbird generally edges out Thunderbird in terms of speed and resource usage, especially with large mailboxes. You can see here a slight decrease in CPU usage. So, the verdict, for reliability and a massive add-in selection, Thunderbird is solid. But for enhanced performance, stability improvements, and a slightly modernized experience, Betterbird might just be the productivity boost you need. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to download both clients and decide which one is right for you. And don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments which one you prefer.